Hi, thank you so much for joining in. So today we will be displaying all of the pendants as well as the earrings. The pendants will be starting from rupees 150 only, and the earrings are starting from rupees 10 and goes up to rupees 30 only. So everyone who's interested, please do make sure to join the live, and whatever you like, make sure you take a screenshot of that and send it to me. So our first product here is this butterfly pendant, as you can see. This one is only of rupees 150. This is black in color, but we have got many other colors available, like this orange, this indigo blue, next is this red, other one is this grey, next is this green, next we have this shiny deep blue, we have this shiny maroon, next we have this shiny pink. Each of these glitter. Next we have the sky blue. Last but not the least, we have this shiny green. The shiny ones have glitter in it, but make sure to remember that these glitters will never come out. These glitters were put while making it itself, not added from the top, so these glitters will never fade or come out. And the matte ones will remain matte itself. So you can take a screenshot of this and inbox me whichever color you like. Take a screenshot and send me the color that you like. Alright, so these were all the pendants. So I hope you liked them, and if you like them enough, make sure to take a screenshot and send it to me. These are all only of rupees 150, and all of these color options are available. You can take 1, 2 or even all, because we've got multiple pieces in the same color option as well. Alright, so next we have got the earrings. Next that we have are the earrings. I'll be starting with the rupees 10 per pair earrings, and then we'll keep moving forward. Now this one is of rupees 10 only. These are roses and it has stud backs. Alright, all of them are in matte colors, as you can see. These are really beautiful roses. So if you like them, you can definitely shop for them. These are only of rupees 10 per pair. Only for rupees 1010 per pair. So whatever color you like, just take a screenshot and send it to me. Next we have this butterfly earrings. These are of rupees 20 per pair. One pair is of rupees 20 only. These are the butterfly earrings. Each pair is of rupees 20 only. And if you want, you can get multiple pieces of the same color as well. Only rupees 20 per pair. I hope you've taken the screenshot. Inbox me with the screenshot of the colors that you want. Next we have the heart earrings. This one is of rupees 30 per pair. 30 per pair. So these have polka dots in them, as you can see on one side, and the other side is plain golden. There are 12 color options available. So whatever color you like, take a screenshot and send it to me. Only rupees 30 per pair. Now the other one that we have is also heart. Just in this one, we've got it at just rupees 20 per pair, 2020. We've got many color options. So whichever color you like, take a screenshot and send it to me. This is plain, one side golden and the other side colored. It's a dual color tone. Only rupees 20 per pair. Now the last one that we have is this flower. Just of rupees 30 per pair. These have glitters in it. These have stud backs again. All of the earrings that I've shown today have stud backs. Alright. Now this one is of 30 per pair. Now these were the earrings that I displayed today. If you like any of them, make sure to take a screenshot and send me the color that you want. And the pendants are also available at rupees 150 per piece. These are ranging from rupees 10 to rupees 30 per pair. So whichever one you like, make sure you've taken the screenshot and send it to me. That was all for today. Thank you.